In this video, I'm going to show you how to import brushes in HiPaint. Now, the first thing you have to do is actually not inside HiPaint. However, you want to go and find the brush you downloaded or of course obtained on your mobile device, and you want to find it inside your files. So I have one over here. If I go inside my file manager, as you can see, I have this one, which is a .hbr file, which is of course the brush file. So what you have to do here is just simply tap on that file whenever you find it, and it may ask you to select a type. Here I'm just going to tap on docs over here, and it's going to be a bit different depending on which device you use, but it should be similar. Whenever you actually tap on it, you'll be able to either use a program to open it with or to share it to a different program or something like that, or app. Of course, I'm just going to tap on doc over here, and as you can see, it's going to say open with, and I'm going to press on more over here, and what you have to do is come to this screen where you can basically find HiPaint. So whenever you find it, tap on HiPaint and then click on always or once, whatever you want to do. I'm going to do once right now, and as you can see, it's going to open up HiPaint just like this, and then it's going to tell you it's actually been imported. So I'm going to tap on the X button over here, and I'm going to go inside here, and you'll see that it's going to import the brush. There we go. So if I now go to the top right and tap on the brush, or of course the top where you can see the brush, and if I tap on import it over here, there we go. You can see the inky, the brush is in here. Okay. So of course you want to just go ahead and do this for every single brush you want to import. Simply tap on the brush, open it with HiPaint, and then you can simply go inside any project you're working on, and you'll be able to find the brush in here. So that's how to import brushes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.